Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you 3 simple and easy DIY projects in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For my travel pillows, I use 2 of the Dollar Tree kitchen towels, my hot glue gun, and my glue sticks. So the first thing I did was flip my kitchen towel inside out, and then I used my hot glue to attach and seal 2 sides of my pillow. Next, I reused the feel from 2 old Walmart pillows that had lost their form. I cut the pieces down to size and I stuffed them inside of my pillow. Once I was happy with the shape of my pillow, I used my hot glue again to close the final side of my pillow. I repeated those steps to make a second pillow, and here was my finished look. For my small vase, I use one of these small vases from the Dollar Tree, as well as their Mosaic stickers, some of their ribbon gem stickers, and my fix-all adhesive. So the first thing I did was clean my glass, and then I used my fix-all adhesive to attach my mirror Mosaic stickers to my vase. I continued adding the stickers until my vase was completely covered. This vase flares out slightly at the top, so there was a small spacing issue. So I just worked with the towels as much as I could to get them as flat and as evenly placed on the vase as possible. Next, I cleaned my Mosaic mirrors, and then I simply added the breast cancer ribbons along the middle of the vase. To complete the project, I added a piece of foam that I already had, as well as 3 bunches of pink flowers, and here was my finished look. And finally, for my larger vase, I used 4 of these square mirrors, 2 packs of the pink Mosaic stickers, this gift box, this really pretty breast cancer awareness bracelet that I found in the Dollar Tree, as well as my fix salt adhesive, glue gun, and glue sticks. Again, I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was clean my square mirrors, and then I used my fix salt adhesive to attach single strips of the pink Mosaic stickers to the center of each of those square mirrors. I spelled out the word hope. I also removed the beads from their strand. I'm going to use 4 of these on the bottom of my vase to add some height. I then began using a combination of fix salt adhesive and hot glue to attach my mirrors to my gift box. Here you see me adding the H and the P first. This is because the box is slightly smaller than the mirrors, so the O and the E mirrors will actually be attached to the sides of the first 2 mirrors. I'll demonstrate what I'm talking about, but you'll see that the O and the E mirrors won't actually connect to the box itself. Once all 4 mirrors were attached, I also added some additional hot glue as well. Next, I added additional pink Mosaic stickers to 2 sides of each of the square mirrors. As you can see, I added the 4 remaining ribbons from my previous project to each side of my vase. I also added those really pretty beads from that bracelet. They say awareness and have the ribbon. It's hard to see that, but these are really pretty and they definitely enhance the overall design. The following day, I cleaned my mirrors, removed excess glue with my X-Acto knife, added my foam and flowers, and here was my finished look. So there you have it, guys. 3 simple and inexpensive DIY projects in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Please remember that 1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer in their lifetime. So let's continue to support that research until we have a cure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.